came home from lunch because my neighbor told me there's a big box on my front porch. I bet I know who it's from. Yep, from Canada. There's a YouTuber, Kirk, north of 51 in Newfoundland. I guess he's up there around Mike and or Bluefin, as y'all know, and Wallace Vivian, and not too far from Trevor. Oh, all my Canadian buddies. Anyway, he had a giveaway. He made a well, he makes a lot of stuff, but he made some bird feeders, and anyway, you should check out his channel though, man. He's into bushcrafting and fishing. I've seen built a garage, and he built all kinds of stuff. But anyway, he built a bird feeder and did a giveaway for it, and I won. It's cool. I'll put a link to the video, you know, down there. But let's open it. I'm anxious to see it. I used the old Buck 303. Everybody had one of these at one time, I'm sure. Some of us are lucky enough to still have it. I've had this one. I bet I've had this one 30 years. God, 30 years goes by quick, man. Y'all will see. If you're not already there, you'll see. 30 years goes by fast, man. So we got a card. Says, hi Chris, hope your parcel didn't get damaged too bad. Take some pics when you get it done. What it is, it's an unfinished, like he built it, but he didn't put a finish on it, and he's gonna leave it up to me to finish it. Cool. Some assembly required. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to go back to the video. I can't. I think I don't have the bottom in there right. But anyway, you get the idea of what it looks like. And then I can't really keep the roof on there without any nails right now. I'm gonna go get a couple nails. This way the birdseed slides down this ramp and right out the front. Then you can take the roof off, fill it up with seed, put the roof back on. I know what you're thinking. You say, why'd you put Kirk's name on the back of it? Well, that's cool. See, he has his flag. Newfoundland. Well, let's put it this way. Newfoundland, Labrador, or Newfoundland flag, I guess. But check this out. This is what's cool. Huh? Got my own flag too there, Kurt. What do you think about that? Is that cool or what? You know, as I'm sitting here, I just remember what these are for. Shutters. But I'll paint these first before I put them on there. That's very cool, isn't it? plexiglass so I can see how much seed's in here. Plus that it'll attract the squirrels. Oh yeah, you thought this was a bird feeder. This is a squirrel feeder. Anyway, plexiglass on there. You can see the ramp in there where the seed slides down to this tray right here. Is that cool or what, man? Well, I certainly want to thank you, Kirk. And like I said before, he's into fishing. I'm pretty sure he's a commercial fisherman. But fishing and building stuff, he has a cool shop and bushcraft stuff. Anyway, I'll put a link to where he made this down there, and I'll put a link to his channel if you want to go check him out. It's a cool dude. Anyway, thanks, Kurt, and thanks y'all for watching, and see you later.